Have you ever stopped to consider your relationship with money? In our day-to-day lives, we tend to view money as a tangible object, a means to an end, a necessity. But what if we told you that money is more than just a physical entity? What if money, in its essence, is energy? Just like everything else in the universe, money is a form of energy. It flows, it moves, and it changes form. It's not static, it's dynamic. And just like any other form of energy, it follows certain laws of physics. Think of it this way: the energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. So when you give money away, it doesn't disappear. It simply changes form and comes back to you in some other way. Now consider this. Our thoughts, our emotions, our beliefs, they are all energy too. And they have a profound effect on how money moves in our lives. If you believe that money is hard to come by, that it's always just out of reach, then that's the energy you're putting out into the universe. And guess what? That's exactly what you'll attract. A financial situation that's always just a bit too tight. On the other hand, if you view the money you have now with love and joy, if you appreciate it and see it as a tool for growth and abundance, then that's the energy you're aligning with. And that's the kind of energy that attracts more money into your life. But it's not just about positive thinking. It's about conscious alignment. It's about being aware of where your energy is going and intentionally directing it towards abundance. It's about having a budget, not as a restrictive tool, but as a way to show money how important it is to you. It's all about where we direct our energy. So what if we could change our financial situation simply by changing our thoughts? Consider this as we delve deeper into the power of perception in the next scene. Let's dive into a real-life example of someone who transformed their financial situation through the power of their thoughts. This is the story of Sam, a hard-working individual who, despite his best efforts, found himself constantly struggling with money. He was always on the edge, living paycheck to paycheck, feeling that he could never have enough. Sam's perception of money was rooted in scarcity and fear. Every time he thought about money, he was overwhelmed by a sense of lack and insecurity. He saw money as an elusive entity, always out of his reach. His thoughts were filled with phrases like, "I can't afford that," or "I'll never earn enough." And as his thoughts were, so was his reality. But one day, Sam came across a concept that would change his life forever. He learned about the power of perception and how our thoughts can shape our reality. He learned that money, like everything else in the universe, is energy, and that he could influence this energy with his thoughts. Intrigued by this concept, Sam decided to change his perception of money. He started seeing money with love and joy instead of fear and scarcity. He began appreciating the money he had, no matter how little. He started visualizing money flowing into his life effortlessly and in abundance. He created a budget, not out of scarcity, but out of respect for the money he had. Sam's shift in perception didn't happen overnight. It took time, patience, and consistent effort. But as he changed his thoughts, his reality started changing too. He started noticing more opportunities for earning money. His financial situation began improving. He was no longer living on the edge, but was comfortably managing his finances. By simply changing their thoughts and their relationship with money, they were able to attract more of it into their life. Sam's story is a powerful testament to the fact that our perception holds immense power. It can either limit us or empower us. It's all about the energy we choose to align with. So how can we align ourselves better with the energy of money? Let's start by understanding one key concept. Money is energy. Just like everything else in our universe, money is a form of energy that is always in motion. It comes and goes, ebbs and flows. But how can we guide its flow towards us? How can we ensure that our energy aligns with the energy of money? The first step is to be aware of where our energy is going. If we constantly dwell on thoughts such as, "I can't afford this," or "I will never have enough," we are essentially repelling the energy of money. We are pushing it away, not drawing it towards us. Instead, we need to shift our focus and our energy to thoughts of abundance and prosperity. Next, let's talk about budgeting. Yes, that's right. Budgeting. Now don't let the word scare you. A budget is not a restriction, but rather a roadmap to financial success. It's a tool that shows money its importance in our lives. It's a clear plan that tells our money where to go and how to work for us. Remember, the attention we give to our money plays a vital role in aligning our energy with it. And this brings us to our final point, treating money with positive attention. When we value our money, treat it with respect and gratitude, we create a positive energy around it. This positive energy draws more money towards us. It's like a magnet, attracting wealth and prosperity into our lives. So let's start seeing the money we currently have with love and joy. Let's appreciate all the things we're able to do with it. Let's create a budget and show our money how important it is. Let's shift our focus to thoughts of abundance and prosperity. The more we value money and treat it with care, the more we attract it into our lives. Now, it's your turn to transform your relationship with money. Pause for a moment and ponder over the bond you share with your wealth. Are you cherishing it with love and joy, or are you pushing it away with negative thoughts? Remember, money is a fast-moving energy, and it's always in alignment with something. The question is, are you aligning yourself with abundance or scarcity? The energy you radiate is the energy you attract. So, if you want to attract more wealth, you need to change your thoughts. Start seeing the money you have now with love and appreciation. Make a budget to show money how important it is. The more positive attention you give to your money, the better alignment you are in. We are all capable of creating an abundance of wealth. It's just a matter of changing our mindset and aligning our energy correctly. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. We value your input and look forward to hearing your stories of transformation.